All right, YouTube. So here we go. We got a decent size Sabal palm we're gonna remove today. That thing's a beaut, man. Quarter wrap set up. We'll get going here. Hope you all enjoy the video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sharing my stuff. I greatly appreciate it. All right, YouTube. Got the fronds all done. You guys can clean that up down there. Get those fronds out of there. We're gonna tie this up. And get it going. Sorry, YouTube. Went out on me, my battery. So we trimmed up those coconuts. We removed that one Sabal palm. And now I got Nate and Warren's up there trimming up the Sabal palms now. Couldn't reach with the lift. Yeah. Alright, YouTube, I got a jet. I gotta go over and do a stump grinding job for somebody. The boys are gonna stay here and finish up. So today's job, we originally came out and we are gonna remove that one Sabal palm that I'll show you in a second. But then she came out and asked us to trim the trees. So I trimmed up both coconut trees that were full of coconuts. We trimmed up this Sabal palm as well. We also removed that one Sabal palm in the back. Gone. And then we trimmed 1, 2, 3, 4 Sabal palms. So they removed this one so they can I guess put the boards over and not have a hole or a tree coming out of there. But can't grind her. So I hope you all enjoy the video. Please don't forget, like, share, subscribe to the YouTube channel. I greatly appreciate it. Thank you all for watching. Give us a call today for your free estimate. 954-857-4571. Thank you for watching.